Hello, in this video, I would like to show you how to upgrade this 6.5-inch NEC screen from 2 CCFL to our LSR series LED kits. Let's take a look at the screen. The screen part number is NL6448BC20-18D. It's a 6.5-inch display with the original 2 lamps. Okay, so I also have a controller kit here. I want to test it before we replace the lamp. We're going to test with the original CCF lamp. So let me turn on my barcode generators. I'm going to connect my controller board here, and then here I'm going to connect to a here. Okay, connect to a VGA signal and see the difference. Okay, so we're gonna apply 5 volts, not 5 volts, I'm sorry, 12 volts here to fire up. Okay, you can see it now. Let me change the patterns. So, okay, let me shut off the overlay time. So this is much easier. It's a CCFL lamp now, original one. I have a meter here that I used to use, okay, minnometer. So usually for the CCF lamp, we will allow it to run about 15 minutes. But for this case, we just want to see a difference. I just want to go ahead and measure it. 98.9. 98.9 nits. So maybe the lamp's a little bit old, but based on its data sheet, it has reached about 400. Now a little bit longer, so it's 104 nits. So let's shut off, turn the backlight on, and then try to compare with our LED kits. Okay, set it aside, and okay, here's our LED kits. Okay. It comes with one LSR series, with LED already installed L-shaped reflectors. Drivers already disabled, so there's only red and black wires. Red wire connect to anywhere between 12 to 24 positive. Black will be negative. Okay, so to replace lamp, upgrade LED kit is pretty simple. You see the screen, right? Again, it's a NEC NL6448BC20-18D. You see this lamp here, you see this, see, I want to, hopefully you can see clear. I want to show it to you. See this clip here, the plastic? Not sure you can see it. You push it down like this. You push down like this. Then you grab the wire, you push it. You see this? So you push it out, just like this. The lamp's kind of old. Okay, so make sure it's clean. This is all right. Okay, basically, you just like push it right back. Same thing. Okay, push it. You get a piece of tape here, just to secure it. That's it. So let's test this. Screen I just update. So let me go get the white screen wire harness so I can be back. So I got this wire adapters, and one end I connect to 24 volts. Okay, because I 12 volt I'm going to apply to this controller. So this is 12 volt I'm going to apply to here first. Okay, signal. Apply 12 volt to a controller board. I'm going to flick over. I'm going to apply 24 because I couldn't find a 12 volt here. So this is 24 volt. Okay. Here we go. Okay. See how, let me shut off this. See how bright it is. So we can measure it. See, before we measure 198 with 104 nits. So right now, you can, after LED upgrade, okay, 1368 nits. (1,366 nits). So simply by upgrading to the LED kit LSB series, it's really bright. See this? Okay, so easy, take less than 15 minutes. Thank you for watching.